When is the last time you sat in silence without any distractions? No phone, no music, no TV, nothing. Just you sitting. Sometimes we're so full, we're so busy, and yet we're completely lost. What would happen if we chose to simply stop and just be? Let go of control for just a while, just long enough to find peace, to find our center, and reconnect with something greater than our relentless thoughts. Not taking time out to be still, to be silent, to allow, to let go, and sit in a state of stillness means that we end up with a head full of thoughts, no answers to our problems, whilst the anxiety and the overwhelm, well, that builds. And after a while, we become so full of thoughts, things to do, judgments, opinions. And with so much going on in our minds, in our lives, the pressure builds and we become frustrated, we become anxious, and slowly we've lost our center. Our place of peace is so far away. It's kind of like a tide at the beach that's taken us away from the shoreline, and we didn't even notice we were in the middle of the ocean until it's too late. So this meditation is dedicated to all of my Primordial Sound Meditation students on Udemy, and of course to anyone who needs to get back on track, to refine their center, to create a gap so you can fall in and reset. So I've chosen a meditation I learnt with Dr. Deepak Chopra quite a long time ago when I was on a meditation retreat in Banff in Canada. So find a comfortable seat and sit whichever way you want, really. Just don't lie down, otherwise you'll fall asleep. And meet me back here and we'll get started. Sitting comfortably, closing your eyes if that feels right, and focusing on your breath. Breathing in through the nose slowly and breathing out through the mouth. Continue to breathe with awareness, feeling the movement of air, the rise and fall of your torso, letting go of tension and relaxing your face muscles. And let's go ahead and place both hands over the area of our heart. There are 4 soul questions. Who am I? And you're asking this question without expectation, just asking the question, who am I? And anytime your mind wanders, come back to the breath. Who am I? Your second soul question, what do I want? No expectation, no trying to answer the question, just sending the question out there. What do I want? What do I want? And your third soul question, what is my purpose? What is my purpose? Without forcing anything, without searching for answers, simply asking the question, what is my purpose? And allowing space, silence. What is my purpose? Relax and breathe. Your fourth soul question, what am I grateful for? What am I grateful for? And breathe. Allow the images to fall into your mind and pass by like clouds moving through the sky. What am I grateful for? What am I grateful for? Long, slow, deep breaths. What am I grateful for? And now either out loud or you can say it in your mind. followed by your full name. I am, and your full name. Just say it a few times. And now simply say, I am, followed by just your first name. And now say, I am. Simply, I am. Repeat this several times. I am. I am. And we'll replace I am with the sound vibration Om. 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 Placing your palms below your ribcage on the area of your sacral chakra. Repeat the sound vibration Ram. 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 And the sacral chakra is your center of creativity, your creative expression, your intuition. It's the center of finding your purpose, your dharma. To complete our mantra, Om Ram, followed by Namaha. Om Ram Namaha. Om Ram Namaha. Om, the universal sound of creation. Ram is our sacral chakra. And Namaha, this sound represents the source of everything, every no thing. The inner self, the infinite, the sound of the unmanifested into the manifested. Om Ram Namaha. Om Ram Namaha. Om Ram Namaha. And simply allow. And as you repeat this mantra, thoughts will come in. Judgments, opinions, expectations. Allow them to come in and see them leave like clouds passing through the sky. On the inhale, Om Ram Namaha. And on the exhale, Om Ram Namaha. Inhale, Om Ram Namaha. Exhale, Om Ram Namaha. Slowing it down. Inhale, Om Ram Namaha. Exhale, Om Ram Namaha. And on your own, Om Ram Namaha. And from the unmanifested to the manifested, from no thing to something, from an idea to something real. Allow the mantra to fade and breathe with me. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold at the bottom of the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, last time, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax, breathe naturally, and when you're ready, open your eyes. And whatever you've dropped into, whatever you're feeling right now, this is the place that is always accessible to you. It's always within your reach because it's deep inside of you all of the time. And you can come here anytime you like. Thank you for joining me. Deep gratitude to all of my Primordial Sound Meditation fellow students on Udemy. There is a free download guide to meditation on my website. The link is down below. Thank you all for the wonderful reviews, for the kind words. If you want to connect anytime, reach out to me. You can email me anytime. I would love to see you in the next video. Namaste.